What's up? What's up? What's going on, Wisdomizers? Another episode, another day to make market update. Oh, wow. Ooh. This is interesting time because I am seeing that we are about to get another leg down because the market is so weak that I can't really expect a bump from here. Obviously, the FOMC meeting is going to be right now in 6 hours, and this will decide the fate of the next movement. So can't really predict anything major, but from this event that is going to be in just a matter of hours now, the US decides on its policy about raising or lowering or keeping the interest rates. Is going to be a lot of volatility, and our fate is uh, on the radar. So yeah, looking is a bit suspicious because the market did not pick up the momentum from these lows, and this is very weak sign. I can't see any pumps. Any pumps are actually being sold off immediately. So whoever is underwater, they are basically selling right away, and there is not enough of buying liquidity. Also, Trump really took the market by a storm with launching his own meme coin, and it sucked all the liquidity out. Only a matter of a few people who just got rich out of it. I know one trader took made 300 million from 1 million. So the wealth actually was distributed into the hands of smart money and insiders, but all of the other people just basically got wrecked. Imagine getting rugged by your president. Well, that's what's happened with a lot of traders who were looking to capitalize on the market. But yeah, generally speaking, let's dive into the market and see if there is really reasons for us to move to the upside. So we are actually forming this breakout pattern as we speak. Like just by drawing some trend lines, you have at least a better understanding of where the market could go. And from my understanding, we can have another dive into the 97,000 region, which would basically give us a touch on the trend line, and then we can potentially go on from here. But there are a lot of bullish signs, obviously. I mean, even today, Czech Republic president told that he's willing to buy 7 billion worth of Bitcoin and form a reserve, uh, like basically to announce a reserve strategy for the fiat currency. And this is very welcomed, but it does not mean that BTC will continue climbing higher in the short term. However, in the long term, there is absolutely no doubt about that this asset will rise in the value. Absolutely zero doubts, in my opinion. But yeah, this chart is still looking like it can go higher, and a lot of traders already, this is the thing. So the time that you spend in the range, that actually is very crucial for traders to consider their yeah, exit positions. So sometimes, like we have currently been in this 92 to 107 range since early November, basically. Early November, 1, 2, 3 months already, just ranging in this range, and this is where a lot of traders will get wrecked, and they start considering taking profits, getting out early, selling their holdings, and all this. But we really need to be patient here. Like BTC is rock solid; it's unbelievably strong in comparison to other markets, but altcoin markets is very weak now. So what I'm seeing right now is we could potentially form this kind of head and shoulders pattern, which would give us another leg up if we will announce something good today. But generally speaking, the market is just waiting for the news announcements, and the push will come today, either up or down. I don't know, and no one really does know. But even if the news are bullish, then it does not really mean that we're going to go up um, right away. It absolutely does not mean like this. But for now, I can see that we like based on just purely technical perspective, it's more likely to go up because if we just remove all the clutter, all the trend lines, everything from this chart. So yeah, it's like 50-50. So this is technically a bull flag that we're trading here. Usually it goes up from this structure. I'm not gonna lie. However, we can also form this third touch here, which would basically give us this sort of formation, and then our target will be 110,000 in the short term. And if this momentum keeps on going, then obviously much higher. I'm expecting BTC to trade around 200,000 by this crypto bull run bare minimum. But how we're gonna get there, this is something that I do not know, and no one really does know. There are lots of things that can happen in the meantime. We don't know everything, and we really don't have to know. But the other option here would be obviously the sell off from here, and even then we would be basically valid, and then we would create this huge double top pattern, which could also give us a heavy selling pressure. So I would not exclude this at all. But for now, in the short term, it's looking more bullish to me, for sure. But we can't really deny that there is this large and very strong double top pattern forming. As you can see, the first top, bum, bum, bum. We can easily sell off from here as well. So I guess today is going to be a very, very interesting day because this is gonna be a key driver for the markets and how they perceive the real bullishness of it all. So yeah, without further ado, as I mentioned already, 60% on BTC dominance is the key that we're all looking for, and we're looking for this alt season to start at some point, but it can actually range for quite a bit on this 60% level. But I can say that to break this is very, very hard. And once the sell-off will come, it will come as impulsive. It's going to be very, very impulsive, as we saw in March 2021, which lasted around 3 months in general. This sell-off of BTC dominance, where all the liquidity was poured out of BTC to altcoins. But we're definitely not going to see the same way because BTC is way too strong, and the majority of the liquidity is held in the ETFs, and you can't really easily go out from there. So without further ado, I need to log into my actual account here. Okay, so my apologies. I just yesterday I removed the cookies, so this is why I do not have access to full capacity of the Wisdomize intelligence, and that's why we're not going to dive into the intelligence itself, as we know. But what I can show you is that the community is active, so in a very short period of time, we have around 200 new messages about crypto markets. So you're very much welcome to come and join us. We have actually like threads here. So you can see the Wisdomized goals that we're updating on a day-to-day basis. As you can see today, I updated. There is no call from my end currently, and there is absolutely nothing that I am going to do. There is no new tickers that I would aim. And to truth be told, the market has been changed quite a lot. So what matters now is the short-term narratives and being in the trenches. Everything that is on exchanges, it really doesn't trade too much volumes, and there is no significant pumps as we are used to it. So it's a bit worrying because this means that there is not enough of liquidity that wants to buy with size, and the retail probably got wrecked with Trump coin. A lot of people bought with their credit cards and got their first sort of experience, which was negative. But this does not mean that they will not come, and crypto is still here to stay. But when we are going to see this rise in price, the long awaited, and in which format it will come, this remains to be seen. But yeah, I highly suggest you to come here, check out the trading wisdom, because we're just gathering all the necessary, all the best sort of information that's relevant today. As you can see, there is a lot of information. You can come back every single day and see if there is something for you. We have other analysts as well, checking the wisdomized intelligence and giving you data in real time. So this is very, very exciting, actually. So I actually bought some of the Predo token just yesterday, and it is trading around break-even level, so 850K market cap. I have been DCAing, and I am looking for this to make at least 10x return. But it's completely dead currently. But I know that the devs are cooking, and I really genuinely believe in this idea. However, there are other million tokens as well. So this is just my own sort of conviction that I am willing to bet, but you don't have to. So yeah, very much looking forward for you to come to the community chat and be active. And I believe that this alone can make or break your trading season, which only lasts probably around this year. End of this year, I expect this momentum to cool off and the general interest to slow down a bit. But crypto never dies. We're here for the long run, and the technology is still relatively new. So I do expect the bull market to continue, especially with Trump being in charge. But we probably have some volatility ahead of us. It's not going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it at the end of the day. So yeah, thanks for watching, and until next time, see you.